Hey everybody, welcome to another render demo how to draw video. Today I'm going to show you my technique on how I draw the green alien from Toy Story. So first off, I got my sketch paper, blank sheet of white. I have a sketch pad actually right here. I'm going to use a pencil and then I'm going to grab some markers and we're going to color them in. So the first step that I'm going to do, and by using the pencil, we can kind of define some shapes early on, and then we don't have to commit to anything super early. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with drawing kind of like an egg shape of a head here, and it's tilted sideways a little bit, so it's kind of on an angle, and then his body's going to kind of arch this way. So I'm drawing his head, and then kind of like the center line here, he has 3 eyes. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw one eye up over here, a circle, another one here, and another one here. I'm going to have little circle pupils in the center, and then at the bottom they're going to be kind of cut off with the bottom of his like eyelid, like that, and then there'll be another line just below that, like that, and then at the top of his eye he'll have like a shape above his eye, just like that. There we go. So down the center again, we're going to draw a line, a faint line up, and the top of his head is going to come like this, and then it's going to hook up. It's like an antenna over here with a little ball, or it's round shape at the top. And it's going to come down, and we're going to hook that the other way, just like that. All right, and we're going to stop here because he's going to have some ears. So from here, we're going to leave a little bit of an opening, and we're going to come down, draw the bottom of his head, and I'm going to come up. And then for his mouth is going to come to the edges of both of the eyes, like something like right about here and here. And if you draw a line straight across to start, then what you can do is you can go above that line just a little bit, and then below that line. So we're going to do a shape like this. It's going to be a soft curve like that. And then down here, we're going to go down like this, and it's going to come down, touch that, and then come back up. And then there's going to be a second line for the bottom of his lip right here. And then he'll have kind of like a little cheek shape there. Now for the ears, they're kind of pointy elf type shape ears. So we're going to come up like this, and right about the top of his head, it can kind of go just a little bit beyond the top if you want. And then we're going to come straight down like this. But you don't want to go too far, okay? Don't go beyond where his collar of his shirt is here. So you're going to come and hook over like this, like that. All right. And then we're going to have almost like a little S shape like this. And that's going to kind of make up the inside of his ear, just like that. And then we'll do the same on this side here. So his head's like this. We'll hook this over like that. And then this will come out, and his earlobe at the base will be right about here. Just like that. All right, there's his ears. Okay, now his neck. Again, just gonna define this a little bit more now. Okay, so now that we have his head and the collar of his shirt, his one arm's gonna come out here. It's gonna wave to us. So we're gonna come out this way, and I'll draw the bottom part. So coming from his collar, gonna come down like this, and then we're gonna draw a line for his belt over to this side like this. All right, and then in the center, let's just finish the bottom of this belt. So we're gonna do that. All right, that's gonna be that side. Over here, draw kind of a line like this. And then his belt, it's gonna be not exactly in the center from here to here, but instead it's gonna be just a little bit to the left, all right? So again, not right in the center, but draw the buckle just a little bit off center. And that becomes a little bit bigger than the belt because it's the buckle. And then we're gonna have an arm that comes from his collar here, like this. This one's gonna kind of hook down like that. And it's gonna come from here, just like that. Alrighty. Again, just make adjustments as you need because we're just using a pencil, so you can always erase, right? Just like that. And if you need to erase, you can do it now. You can wait to the end. Okay, now let's finish off his legs. So we're gonna taper his pants and his legs inward just a little bit, just like that. All right. And we want to make sure like this size of his body up here is about the same size down here. So this shape here would be roughly about the same size, like the same down there as well. And then using the center of his buckle, we'll draw a little line like this, and that'll be the split between his feet. So from here, we'll arch this like that, and this will be his 1 foot. And we'll come up and down and over, and we'll do the same on this side. This will come over, we'll go up, we'll hook outward, just like that. So there's his feet. And now we'll finish off his hands. So we started the hand here, and right where his belt is, kind of halfway, we'll draw a line kind of upward like that, and then his fingers almost come, they're pretty long, they come almost down, way down here. So we'll draw his hand comes out in this direction. We're gonna do like the palm shape like this, and then one finger like that, and then there will be another finger that's like a little bit bigger, and then they'll have a thumb that kind of hooks out like this. And then on this side we'll do the same thing. So see the length of the arm here, so we'll do similar length here. And then this one, he'll have 3 fingers, so his palm like this, kind of goes out to the one finger. You know, the second one here, and then we'll make this thumb come up and over, and do this finger right here, just like that. Alien fingers. All right, so there is our alien from Toy Story. So now I'm gonna go, and because we used pencil, you can go ahead and erase some things. Another technique, you can go ahead and color this first if you want, and then use the black ink to pull out your lines. But I'm just gonna use the black marker, and I have a Sharpie here. And I'm gonna go ahead and we'll high speed this so you can kind of watch what I'm doing, but just go outline the shapes that you guys like, and I'll be back with the final coloring. Go ahead and color the green alien. Since he's green, we're going to go ahead and use the green marker. him in.